I want to stop. Oh.
Hey guys, it's Lindsay. So I'm here with Leia, and I'm going to be changing her into this adorable outfit that Maddie gave me. Her channel's Young Reborn Mommy Maddie. And yeah, I'm just going to change Leia into this outfit. Okay, so this is what Leia looks like, and I think she's super adorable in this little outfit. Here's her head, and she's got a little pink bow, and this is the dress, and then she has a diaper cover under, which is super cute, even though she's wearing a white onesie. But yeah, this whole outfit is adorable. And tomorrow, hopefully, I'm going to go shopping for her, and I will bring her in this outfit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know it was short, but I just think changing videos are fun for you guys to watch and fun for me to do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!